A fifth world title and a place among the true sporting greats. Lewis Hamilton always believed he'd one day become a champion, but never in his wildest dreams could he have imagined this. His 9 race wins this season meant anything above 7th would do in Mexico, the Mercedes driver crossing the line in 4th and cementing his place in the history books. Hamilton's fairy tale rise to the very top wouldn't look out of place in a Hollywood script. Growing up in Stevenage and competing in a sport often dominated by white men, he relied on his talent and the support of his family to rise above the competition. It was at the Rye House karting track in Hertfordshire where his potential first started to be noticed, as did his now trademark spirit and determination.
I knocked off the track at Rye House and into the tyres on Saturday.
But that didn't put you off at all?
No, my nose was bleeding and my car was all smashed up. I just told my dad to set the car back up for the next race and we won it.
Nowadays he spends most of his time in America and lives a luxury lifestyle, including journeys in his private jet. But it seems he hasn't completely forgotten his English roots.
Yeah, I hope that wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you can have a bit of a celebratory drink for me, whatever it may be, even if it's tea, and enjoy the moment, because we've done this together. We win and we lose together.
Back home at the Mercedes HQ in Brackley, there are no doubts about the scale of what he's achieved.
It's a fantastic achievement to win the 5th Drivers' Championship, and of course it's the 5th consecutive Drivers' Championship for the team here in Brackley and Brixworth, so we're very pleased with that.
His latest crown means he's now tied 2nd in the all-time list and is just 2 titles behind Michael Schumacher. And at the age of 33, he's exactly the same age that Schumacher was when he won his 5th championship. An ominous sign to the rest of Formula One that Hamilton's own legacy in the sport may only just be getting started. Andy Ward, ITV News.